Thanks.
Yeah, I had a LIF-PO4 type of battery in it, which I really like the best. But it wasn't holding the charge anymore.
So my DX5 Pro, I got $4,000.
Those things are so heavy already though. Yeah. I had one of those for a bunch of years. It looked like Darth Vader's remote control.
Well, it actually it fits right under.
Oh, on the full.
On the DX5 Pro.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it'll fit under here, but it's like I have a special little plastic tool that's
Shimmy it out.
Yeah.
It's a tough one. You guys want to set the next cone?
I like your level of difficulty.
That's why every time you say you give everybody cones to set cones, I never take them. I can't set cones to save. Either it'll be impossible, or you guys are gonna be like, fucking idiot that set this one.
You want me to tell you the little trick here?
Yeah.
So when you get up right here, this tire has to be in this. Otherwise, if you're not in there, you're never gonna hook. And it looks like a stupid little crevice, but
It holds.
That's all you need is that stupid little thing.
yeah.
I'm just afraid of hitting that.
Yeah, see, you're wider.
Yeah. For today's comp, you can go over the cone. You just can't touch it.
That's what I always thought.
I would.
See, I would have started turning
I
right
would
away.
come up and just like brush the axle close to
The axle?
it. Yeah, in other words, go forward up.
Oh, over it?
You,
Straddle it?
yeah, and now like
Oh, okay.
see if you can work that ass end and slide down. Or maybe I just not thinking about it.
'Cause it's not torque twisting. You just, I think you're just a hair too wide.
I agree.
So then why don't we just
Oh, now you just made it really easy. Yeah, see?
Well, you try it with that one. Did you get up it before? I'll try it one more time with it. I think it's plausible. Oh, I got my tire nice and wet.
That's why I kind of like cones, because everybody could do it. Now, if you set it... Yep. You got it.
Oh, I touched it. Son of a- But it was real close.
Just set a gate going up. Let you guys go down, I'll set a gate going up.
just don't have the wheel speed to pull it out.
Let's try a bigger pinion, man.
I don't think I can get any bigger. It's 24.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's just that train he has. Yeah, let's make this harder. Alright, the first one. Nice and slow, right?
I gotta say, I like the fact that there's like probably 15, 20 people in this park playing with our cars, and I don't have to wait like 20 minutes to get on a line. And there's like scale guys doing the scale thing, there's some race, there's a little bit of everything.
This is gonna be tough the way I said it.
Yeah, that angle is good. But now that the front end is fast, you should have, once you hit that first one in the front, you should have pulled into it because you already had the point.
Yeah, that's what's supposed to happen.
Let me see if I can take it higher.
Go ahead, power. Oh. Before, when I was set, it was dropping down to 2.8. Even though it was set at 3.2.
Interesting.
Yeah.
That's a cool angle, dude. That was cool.
Thank you.
That was super cool to watch.
Thank you. Thank you. You may have a little trouble. You just gotta take it as closest to that top speed as possible. Yeah.
Oh,
yeah. Damn it.
I can do that better. So close.
And yet so close.
Yeah. Still a 10-point freaking. Same thing too.
You turned in.
Yeah.
Nice.
If I can roll stickers, perfect. Yeah.
Oh, I see. I couldn't even see this other gate for the angle I was doing.
Just the training. I think it's like 20 plus 28 something like that. And it's hard. Holy shit. could do it without a gate. So I think you have to get more that way. Oh.
Oh yeah, dude. You can see that passenger tire wanting to stick. Look at the back. Nice.
Wow. Holy shit. That was harder than I thought.
Cool to watch.
Because I think without a gate, I think you can make it come a little bit left. So that's how once I went left, I kept crashing. Yeah, it's tricky. The same way, like how you would come this way, Art. When instead of coming that way, just kind of like come, wiggle, let the back fall. And find the line. I think we'll. I'll let you. I think you would have had it. It's a tough line. Let's just hurry. You should make it right out. They got those shooter tires, no body. People think I'm like a LCG pro, but if you really look, I have so much space underneath.
You do, it's pretty high. Started that way too.
Yeah, you were going in that little crevice. That's what I love about cones. You can set them in a spot and like it makes everything just so much more harder. Nice. Nice. To get the stuff this way. That back driver tire. Yeah, it's falling off.
have air bones. I might switch to the antis though, at least in the rear, because I think they work better.